Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to redeem your Groupon promo code. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your web browser and head over to Groupon.com. Once you're on the homepage, go ahead and log into your account using your credentials. This will give you access to all the deals and allow you to make purchases with your promo code. After logging in, you'll want to find the deal you're interested in purchasing. You can browse through the featured deals on the homepage, or if you have something specific in mind, use the search bar at the top of the page to quickly locate what you're looking for. This makes it easy to navigate through thousands of available offers. Once you've found a deal that catches your eye, click on it to open the deal page. This will show you all the details about the offer, including what's included, any restrictions, and the regular price. Take a moment to review everything and make sure it's exactly what you want. If you'd like to purchase more than one voucher for this deal, simply tap the plus icon to adjust the quantity. You can buy multiple vouchers at once, which is perfect if you're planning to share the deal with friends or use it multiple times. After setting your desired quantity, click the Buy Now button to proceed to checkout. Now here's where you'll apply your promo code. On the checkout page, click on Enter Promo Code. A field will appear where you can type in your promo code. Go ahead and enter your code in the designated field. For this tutorial, I'm just demonstrating the process, but when you have a real promo code, this is exactly where you'd input it. After entering the code, click Apply to activate the discount. Next, take a moment to check that the discount has been properly deducted from your total. You should see the updated price reflecting your promo code savings. This ensures everything is correct before you finalize your purchase. Finally, it's time to complete your purchase. You'll see various payment options available, including Apple Pay, Google Pay, credit or debit card, or PayPal. Select your preferred payment method and fill in any required information. Once everything looks good, click the Pay button to finalize your order. Give it a few seconds to process and you'll receive a confirmation of your purchase. And that's it. You've successfully redeemed your Groupon promo code and completed your purchase. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.